Do you consider that your sidewalk and driveway need a new look? Are you looking for a good-looking and affordable pavement? Our professional team has experience and we can assure you that you'll get the best services. Check out our past work.